Tired of weak or unreliable power cords? We have the right solution. A 3-prong power cord, certified with UL and CE standards. 18 AWG thicker wire capable of handling more current and high electrical load. 10 feet of generous length ensures you can easily connect to power sources. Precisely engineered wire gauge, capable of handling 110V, 120V, and 220V, 240V. Seamless compatibility with your specific devices and setups. High-quality shielding and insulation ensure safety and protect your device. Flexible power cord, which bends easily and resists kinking. Perfect for home appliances, office uses, entertainment systems, power tools, kitchen gadgets, industrial equipment, and more. Available in 1 and 2 pieces package. Find our power cord in all our products.